When you make a connection, great things happen. And that's just what the Connector program is setting out to do. Here's how it works. We connect immigrants with local business and community leaders in their field of interest. They get together and talk about things like industry trends, market demand, and local opportunities. The connector leaves the connectee with at least 3 names of people in their network, and the whole process happens all over again. What do they get out of it? Glad you asked. The experience provides valuable insight into the local job market and sets the connectee on the path to create their own success. The connector gets to help cultivate new local talent, making their industry and our city grow stronger. It's a win-win, win-win-win. In the first 5 years, we've seen great success. Over 1,000 connectees and over 650 connectors have joined the program, resulting in over 450 found jobs. And we've started a trend. Connector programs are popping up in communities all across Canada. For more information on joining the Connector program or starting one in your community, visit connectorprogram.ca. Because with the National Connector program, we believe the strongest connection is a human one.